What is going on, my beautiful dolls and divos? What's poppin', YouTube? We're in for another Alopecia Solutions by your hair vault, Taneasha Hines. My beautiful doll has returned to me from Tennessee, and we have seen some great results with some new hair growth. So today we're going to go ahead and give her a mesh integration technique. So we can go ahead and not have so much tension on that area that we see some new hair. She is reusing my hairline snatched. She is using, I believe, the deep curly, and we decided to give her a little bit extra length this time. But how are y'all doing today? If you are interested into my content, I appreciate every follow, every subscriber, every thumbs up helps me keep these edited videos going. I really appreciate y'all being patient for me to get back into my rhythm. If you are a hairstylist, you know how the holidays can be. So recovering from a big lot of changes, relocating, and getting everything ready for 2024 has, had your girl had to take a little back seat, but I'm here with continuous content and to make y'all, giggle and smile with my commentary. If I sound a little nasally, please excuse me, but we got to keep it going. Your girl has asthma. And people out here not wearing no daggone coat want to go ahead and pass it on to me, but guess what? The show must go on. When it comes to my solutions, it depends on the area of concern, what the client needs, and the longevity. My guest is able to keep her installation in for 3 to 4 months. One time she kept it in for 5 months without having any maintenance. She just did what she needed to do to retouch the lace, to go ahead and apply it back down because it's not cement. I'm going to repeat that again. Lace closures, frontals are not cement. So if maintenance is 2, 3, 4, or 5, depending on the adhesive that your hair and your skin allows me to put on, then that's what that is. And if you're not able to come in, all you gotta do is wipe, apply that skin protectant, get on YouTube University, go ahead and see my girl boat hold, look at the instruction video, put the stuff on, and tack it back down. It ain't that hard, okay? You know how to bake and shake your contour and all this for your face. You can't tell me you can't put no lace down. Lies your tail. So she follows instructions, and that's why she's been coming to Taneasha Hines for over a year and a half. Now, the one and done, guess what? They didn't want to try. They didn't want to try, okay? We creating solutions out here giving confidence. Guess what? Yes, Taneasha Hines is opening up the vote for my hairstylist that is looking for mentorship, consulting, what they already know how to do, got the skills, and want to increase their revenue, need some help with their website, SEO words, and all that other stuff. Your girl is dropped to TaneashaHines.com. That is for you. Now back to the video at hand. Now we are adding the thin skin to give her real scalp realness. And we basically gonna go ahead and sew in these wefts. We shampooed it off of cam, prepared the weft. A little trick that I like to do, dropping a gem, spray some sea breeze or astringent on the wefts prior to you using a clarifying shampoo to make sure you get all of that debris off of those wefts, okay? So your scalp is going to shed. It has cells. You're going to sweat. So shampooing can get the debris out, but you might miss a spot. So I like to go ahead and remove any bacteria that's going to be on the weft, the track, okay? So for those who don't have any, vocabulary. Let me stop playing. But anyway, that's a little gem for you. Go ahead and spray it. Let it sit. I like to let it sit 5-10 minutes. And then go with my clarifying shampoo. Not just on the tresses, on the hair, on the weft. Especially if you're reusing hair. And we going back and forth. Ain't nothing special. Y'all know how to sew in a weave. I had some tutorials on basic fundamentals eventually. This is for my beautiful dolls who are suffering from alopecia, who want to come in and get serviced by your girl, who are not into quick weaves, who do not really necessarily want to shave their hair off to go and do a hair replacement. Not all hair loss is the same. Not everybody is confident and their journey is different. So I like to give different solutions based on what they are desiring. And sometimes y'all might desire some things that your hair cannot do. But when you buy the hair growth solution and serum from your girl Taneasha Hines, I'll be having that in the link below. This description below. You know I'm new to this YouTube, but I ain't gonna keep saying new. I got my walking shoes. I think I'm a toddler by now. You feel me? But with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and add in her acrylic adhesive just around the lip, around the closure part. I added a little extra layer of security with a band. We're going ahead and just adding some extra layers in it so she can be able to get at least 2 to 4 different installs with the same hair, because we did not cut all into this. We used 12 inches, which is a little bit longer than she normally like to do. And bam, voila, it's magic. Hey, thanks for watching, okay? Real results, real customers. And I got to go ahead and get my little stickers out because y'all be wanting to get off the video. I got to give you a close-up. I got to give you a close-up. Now, she is fair-skinned, so she might be a little red because I have touched her a little bit. But with all that being said, you know, I hope y'all like it. Let me go ahead and get into the part so y'all can see a little bit better. I hope my videos are getting, you know, a little bit more better for y'all. Thank y'all for watching and put yourself first. See you next week.